This could be the car for you. The 2021 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.